Hi, good morning. This is John Bose, Skyward Community Master and Skyward Community Partner. Also, I'm a holder of Unitsky String Technology pre-IPO Equity Allotment Unit, convertible to shares when this company eventually goes public. In this video, I'll be sharing with new investors how to pay on their existing installments. Now, I am sharing this video because when I began investing in Skyway, I did not have this knowledge that I have now and I'm about to share with you. So when I wanted to pay on my existing installment, I ended up using the money to open a new package because I did not know. So I eventually had to pay for two packages simultaneously because my second installment I wanted to pay, I ended up using that money to open a new investment program. I'll be showing you the difference in this video. When you come to this part where it says my investment, you will see two options, or you will see several options, two of which are investment programs here and my installments here. If you have already picked an investment program and you just want to pay for an existing installment, come to my installment. When you go there, you scroll down to the installment you are paying, you want to pay on, and you go to make payments. You can select the place where you want the money to be debited from, whether it is your main account or your bonus account, whichever you select, and you click on make payment. Then you make a payment. It will tick off one of the installments of your current package. You can have several installments open. You locate them, they always have a heading. So this one says business with the installment number 63150. So whichever installment you are paying on, you locate that installment and click make a payment for those who have more than one installment open. Now, should it be that you want to pick a new package, then you go to investment programs under my investment. Do not go to investment programs when you want to pay for an existing installment. This was the mistake I made that led me to open two investment packages of the same amount, because I thought I was trying to make the payment on an existing installment, and I went back to the same package I picked and I picked it again, thinking that that was the process to pay on an existing installment. I ended up paying for two packages simultaneously. So do not make the same mistake. Learn how to pay on an existing installment. And if you have funded your wallet, many of you make the mistake of funding your wallet and thinking that because you have paid and then your wallet has been funded, that your installment has also been paid. It has not. If your wallet is funded, it comes into your main account. You have to go to your installment and pay. If you don't pay, there's a clause in the Skyway contract that says if you don't pay within a year and your wallet has been funded, they can reverse your money to you at their discretion. So kindly note that funding your wallet is not the same thing as paying on an existing installment or picking an investment program. When you have funded your wallet, you have to go to your back office and take the necessary steps to either pay on an existing installment or pick a new investment program. Thank you.